Hi, good evening, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Diane S. Acosta. I am 41 years old. I am married. I have two kids, the age of 15 and 13 years old. I have been working in Saudi Arabia 4 years and 9 months as domestic helper. My main duties is to look after the 5 kids, and I do cooking, laundry, ironing, and taking care of the pets. I applied in Hong Kong because I want to provide the needs of my family and especially my kids. To my future employer, if you hired me, I am trustworthy, an efficient person, and hard-working person. I promise to you, Madam and Sir, I will never break contract my 2 years contract. Thank you, Madam and Sir. Hope to see you in Hong Kong. Have a